Hello traders, hello investors. So AMD is going up a little bit today, 0.63%. The broad market is also going up. We see SPY recovering, doing a quite strong bullish candlestick today. QQQ doing the exact same thing. The Dow Jones is actually breaking its 21 EMA right now. So yes, the market is in green territory. However, all indices are quite close to their 21 EMAs. So what if we see a pullback? Could AMD drop to lower price levels doing a new low over here? But what if the indices keep recovering? What could possibly happen on AMD? Well, in this video, we are going to discuss scenarios for AMD. And by the way, my name is Nathan. Nice to meet you guys. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Remember to click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe if you're new around here because I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on what's the best regarding price action and technical analysis on many stocks, including AMD, Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, and much more. Now, back to AMD. The trend is still bearish. Do we see any reversal possibility for AMD? Yes. Do we see any confirmed reversal pattern on AMD? No. Why? Because if we analyze the 1 hour chart, it feels like we are in a congestion, right? To me, it seems AMD is trying to do a complex inverted head and shoulders chart pattern. By breaking the neckline, the next target on AMD is $78. But did AMD break its neckline? No, we are still below the neckline. The neckline is around $69 roughly, right? I think it is, yes, $69.20. This black line over here. Only by breaking this black line, the neckline, AMD will actually trigger an inverted head and shoulders in the 1 hour chart. As long as it doesn't, well, the trend will just persist. The bear trend will resume and we will seek lower price levels. What could potentially frustrate this inverted head and shoulders is the idea that since the indices are quite close to their resistances at their 21 EMAs, we might see pullback. I'm not even saying that this is just a dead cat bounce like it is doing since August 2022, right? I'm not saying this, but even if SPY corrects from here and does a higher bottom just to trigger a bullish pivot point in the daily chart, this would be enough. Even considering this is a bullish structure, I think this would be enough for AMD to lose the previous low, September 29's low over here, and it is going to resume the bear trend, and it is going to frustrate every single bullish pattern you might see on AMD right now at this moment. And then if this happens, okay, we just gotta wait for another bullish structure to appear. It is quite frustrating, yes it is, but this is how the market works. Right now, we gotta wait for the breakout of $69.20. As long as we don't trigger this inverted head and shoulders, AMD will just remain bearish. If we analyze the weekly chart, since we lost this support level over here, this was a quite strong support level, right? It dates back from September 2020. We lost this support level, so in theory, we are just heading to the next support level at $59. However, this week's reaction is quite curious because it is a bullish structure, it is a bullish candlestick pattern. I forgot the name. I think it is above the stomach candlestick pattern, right? I think this is it. You may just Google it before this and after you watch this video. But I think it is a bullish structure indicating that we might avoid a scenario where we are going to retest the $59 for now and we can potentially bounce back up to the 21 EMA next. if this scenario actually materializes. It helps if we trigger this inverted head and shoulders over here in the 1 hour chart, but again, AMD still couldn't trigger any bullish structure right now. In the daily chart, we have yet to retest the 21 EMA, and keep in mind, the $72 over here is going to work as a resistance for us next. So yes, this point over here is going to be the most important key point on AMD, because by breaking this dual resistance level made by the EMA, made by this black line, AMD will truly reverse the trend in the midterm, and we can potentially fill this gap, seek the next resistances at $85 or even around $100. And guys, do you want to trade with me? See, I recommended recently Twitter on my Market Dive daily newsletter from September 23. Twitter right now is just flying. It is just one example of the kind of trade we like to do on our newsletters. So subscribe to my newsletter, check my website for more information. The link is in the description of this video. My personal portfolio has a public track record which is beating the market by a mile. So I think you guys are going to appreciate what I have to offer to you guys. Meanwhile, for AMD, most important key point, 69.20 for the short term. For the midterm, $72.33. Only by breaking $69, we are going to trigger a reversal in the short term, and only by breaking $72, AMD will potentially fly to way higher levels, at least to the $85, in my humble opinion. For more analysis like this, remember, subscribe to this channel, check my website. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.